Good afternoon. Welcome back to Acres Lawn Care. So we're here back on the farm again. Just going to do some regular maintenance for you guys today. The verbenas ready to be cut down, moving a few plants around and a lawn cut and just some general weeding really. So stay tuned. It is what it is. It is what it is. Right. I'm going to take this out and place it with a skimmier out the front. This is just too big for such a small bed. Right, rehome that. Got some mint here. Love the smell of mint.
No, I don't mind. To be fair, I don't mind the smell of mint. I just don't like minted flavored like things.
Yeah,
Like food wise.
that is.
I just don't.
These can be cut down, guys, these verbena now. So you see where the new growth is coming through? So just cut just basically above all that new growth down there.
And they should just be like non-existing. I think they should just not exist.
No? Okay.
Because they hurt, man. Like if you're.
Oh, they scratch you, don't they? They're weird,
man.
yeah. So yeah, just basically cut back to that foliage, the new foliage down the bottom there.
Keys, mate.
Yeah. So like this morning, then we need to find a home.
Welcome to my Spanish villa.
That's what it feels like, doesn't it? Such a lovely house, man.
Especially with the sun like this.
Oh, it's become so pot bound, this.
Quarter pound.
Quarter pound a hot pound.
Oh, why must you scratch me?
Right.
Lord, isn't it?
Well, this year we'll find a way to pin them back. You're like, we'll cut them down.
I have a great idea. Just not have them in general.
They are pretty though.
Pretty annoying, yeah.
This is why I work with you.
Ow. Get away from me. I don't like you. Get
Get away from you, I don't like it, you say.
Yeah. Check on the plants.
What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me no more. I'm just trying to find another home for this little skin now.
I just don't understand like why every time I do a cut the lock goes on. Yeah, mate. What you mean is that you know it does.
Oh, what about me? Looking good. Lovely.
Looking fresh.
Pretty fresh.
Let's get these wings out.
Get on up, and when you're down, take good Labina out. Labina? Labina? What?
Keep on moving.
Keep on moving, keep on moving, keep on moving. When the rainy days are dying, gotta keep on. You missed that trying, but.
Oh, what? What are you saying?
Oh man,
It's alright, but it's okay.
baby.
We keep moving on anyway.
Right.
Like and subscribe to your channel. What?
Daddy, keep singing. People are subscribing to your voice.
Oh my god.
It's amazing. Wearing sunglasses today. 6 exciting times.
Yes, me too.
Gary's also wearing his sunglasses.
Yes. I don't even know why I'm wearing these.
You're wearing protective goggles while weeding. Safety first.
Oh, you know what? Every time I get stuff in my eye, that's why.
Oh, is it? The old Agapanthus.
These days, won't even know it.
Yeah. Keep on moving, keep on moving. Huh?
I can't stop. Can't stop the beat. Can't stop.
Can't stop.
Can't stop. I don't even know the lyrics to that song actually.
Everybody united. Oh. Dog poo bag.
Oh, lovely one.
A rare dog poo bag. There's actually a stinging nettle growing in here. Ah, arigato. What does arigato mean again?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you in Japanese. Okay, head rush, mate.
Head rush. Too much weeding, mate. It's getting to you.
Standing too fast.
All the bees and birds are flying.
Weed.
Yeah. Lovely stuff, mate. Lovely stuff. Welcome to the farm, where me and Gary just weed.
Get down low, down low. Let's get the back of the beds.
Weeds in the bucket, Kaz?
No,
No, okay.
we're gonna mow the lawn, aren't we?
Yeah, but
But what? But what?
I don't like your attitude today.
What? What? You're a wizard, Harry.
You're a wizard, Harry.
You're a wizard, Harry. Hey, laddie.
Careful, Ryan, because there's a seed in here.
Oh, is there?
There is, mate.
Well, I apologise for that, whatever that.
I'll finish off over here if you want to go over to that bed over there.
What are you trying to do, mate?
Huh?
You're trying to distance yourself.
Social distancing, mate. That's all I can say. Geranium. Nice bit of geranium. Just take this dead out now. Should just scrub out, just like that. Once a fortnight, me and Gary have decided we're going to go to a place called Chosen Noodle, which is like a noodle bar. A little treat on a Friday. And Gaz has just asked me what I'm going to have. And the answer is, I don't know. That's up. That's a wrap. Peace out. No, I think I'll probably go with the katsu curry again. Yeah, I like that katsu sauce, man. It was very delicious, to be fair.
Don't get me wrong, I liked my sweet chili thing, but it felt a bit dry. It didn't have enough sauce.
Yeah, that's the katsu. They really layer it with sauce, which is...
I felt a bit cheated.
Well, I did say to you, didn't I?
Yeah. But that's the thing, right? I like to try the thing that's not that great,
Yeah.
but still decent.
Yeah.
And so the next time when I go, I know it's going to be brilliant.
Some euphorbia coming up. Looking good. Viburnum's in flower now. You've got Pittosporum there, which is another one of my favourite plants. I do love a Pittosporum. I don't know why I like them so much. They don't really do much. Apart from the variegated leaf is quite attractive and it's quite different. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. Right, so cornice. So normally with cornices, if they've been in, I normally leave them in about 3 years before you touch them. But you can see some dead on some of these bits here. So what we'll do is we'll just give it a light prune as it's starting to bud now. He normally hacks them after a week. I just try to cut this dead off. But to be fair, I'm probably going to go. Let's have a little go. Yeah, not like I said, normally I tend to not, but as it's quite a small bed, and the problem is if you don't trim these after 3 years, if you don't start trimming them down and cutting them back, it gets really woody, and you want to try and avoid that. What you want is these nice beautiful red stems every year, so they'll come up, but it's still quite young, so I'm not going to cut it hard, but after a couple of years it'll probably come back down to this height, but there'll be thicker stems, so we'll have a much nicer red stem on it. What would you do if like they actually like managed to, yeah, like they got the DNA and they basically just like made dinosaurs again? No, but that's what I'm saying. Jurassic, just in case you're wondering, Gary, Jurassic Park isn't real. Sorry to disappoint you. I saw it on TV. Sorry? No, you can't tame them. It's just literally like they just eat you. I'll be like, I'm out of here. Dinosaurs are us. What's that? They come eat you, man. Yeah, standard.
That's it. End of story. No more YouTube.
Yeah. No more YouTube channel if dinosaurs were here. Because they'd eat Gary. Like, no more Gary.
Well, it depends on like, how many of them are there.
Huh?
How many dinosaurs were getting produced?
10 for every human. Gary. Sage. Some thyme.
Right here.
A Gary. He's a rare herb. Is it a herb?
Basically, you make this crater in the soil, and you crack an egg in it. Mix it up.
And wait for a rare volcanic eruption and it cooks the eggs.
Oh my god! Now it's cook an egg in a what? Weed everywhere.
Imagine weeds were worth like millions of pounds.
Oh man, I think everyone would be picking weeds then. Wait, how much, sorry?
£1 million.
Oh mate, everyone would be picking weeds.
Isn't it? Rosemary Bottom. On the farm. Lovely little plot of land, really. The lammies all run out here in sort of coming soon. There'll be all the lambs up here. Ah. Right, let's mow the lawn, shall we?
Crikey, mate. There's a land shark there.
What'd you say?
There's a land shark there.
Land shark? Where? How many land sharks do you see a day? Put it in the comments. Me and Gary always do lots of different accents, so I apologise if they're terrible. We're not trying to insult any of your languages, or
We're just trying to get better at it.
we're just trying to, yeah. Sometimes we just end up talking in different languages to each other. Well, in different accents, because Gary can speak Chinese, but well, I can actually speak better Chinese, but